Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to be looking at how to heal your gut in 4 hours while you fast for the next 20 hours. Heal your gut in 4 hours. 24 method that actually works. Your gut is inflamed and you're eating too often. Here is a 20x4 gut healing protocol with perfect timing to reset your digestion. Step 1. Break your fast smart. Start your 4-hour eating windows generally. Start with the ginger lemon water with ginger, sauerkraut or kimchi, a few bits of yogurt. Eat slowly over 20 to 30 minutes. Wait sometime between 60 to 90 minutes. Let your small intestine wake up and digestion fully activate. Step 2. The main healing meal. Now go in with your biggest meal. Protein, salmon, sardine, chicken, or lentils. For carbs, sweet potatoes. Fiber, broccoli, carrots, greens. Fats, olive oils plus walnut, turmeric, and ginger. Take your time. 30 minutes or 60 minutes. Don't rush. Wait another 60 to 90 minutes. Allow proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Step 3. Lock in the healing. Finish your window with blueberries, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Light, easy gut repairing. Finish. Fasting phase next 20 hours. After step 3, begin full fast. Water, ginger tea, or black tea only. This is where deep healing, fat burning, and gut resets happens. Follow this timing daily and your gut, energy, and inflammation will transform. Thanks for listening and watching.